Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we're making a delicious lasagna. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need lasagna noodles, ground meat, garlic, yellow onion, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese spread, crushed tomatoes, black pepper, seasoned all, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, parsley, basil leaves, and Italian seasoning. First, start by chopping up a half of onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Place the onion and garlic on the side for your sauce. Next, boil the noodles. Follow the directions on the pack. While the noodles are boiling, start on your ground meat and your red sauce. In a skillet, add your ground meat. Season to taste and cook until brown. Once the ground meat is done, place it to the side. In a skillet, add about a tablespoon of olive oil and saute the onions for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, add the garlic. Next, add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes to the onions. Add about 1/2 cup of water, season to taste, and allow it to cook for approximately 15 minutes. Now your noodles should be done and tender. Once the sauce is done, add the ground meat to it. Next, spread a thin layer of meat sauce at the bottom of the baking dish. Place a layer of noodles on top, then meat sauce, then cream cheese, and finally mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Repeat that step. Bake the lasagna at 350 degrees for approximately 45 minutes. Covering the lasagna with foil is optional. Once the lasagna is done, allow to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, lasagna. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.